Find other paths for more questions. All subject, exit exam and assessment questions are available. Oil and chemical tanker cargo operation practice questions. What is the required diameter of the crude oil wash lines according to the ship? Answer D, to maintain the required pressure and flow to the individual type of machine in use. When the IG plant is shut down, the IBC cooling water should be let on the scrubbers least are. Answer C3. What are the consequences of a high oxygen content alarm sound during normal operations? Answer D. The deck demand value will automatically close, the atmosphere plug value will open, and the Funan's pressure control value will regulate. What are this type of tanker? LR1 large range 1. Answer B, 50,000 to 79,999 DWT. The petroleum remaining after the removal of products such as methane is termed. Answer A, crude oil. Protection for acetylene and oxygen line flamers, arresters and flowback values. Answer A, carrying out gas welding and acetylene gas cutting work. In case of PV value of one tank is not working and the tank pressure is rising, what immediate actions are necessary? Usually set to flow. Answer D, follow all the procedures A, B and C. Which topic is not required to be discussed at the pre-transfer conference? Answer A, estimate time of fishing cargo. Examples of inorganic chemicals as. Answer D, all of the above. Clean blast is normally. Answer C, blast water loaded into cargo tanks which has been crude oil and water washed. During loading operation, ullage and temperature measuring equipment is showing low battery. Which place can be replaced battery? Answer D, can be replaced only inside accommodation. Vessels in clean service normally do not have or need heater coil as the viscosity of the clean product is low enough to permit easy pumping at atmospheric temps. Answer B, with the exception of some lube oils and special vegetable oils. The foam system is operated from the room. Answer C, FGFC. Marpol Annex 6 applies. Answer C, to ship with both of the above. Category 10, noxious liquid substance which, if discharged into the sea from tank cleaning or deblasting operations, are deemed to present and major hazard to either marine resources or human health and therefore justify the prohibition of the discharge into the marine environment. Answer A, true. To discharge the last amount of cargo ashore, if the stripping vacuum system fails to carry out and unable to perform, what is the last means of stripping arrangement in a crude or product oil tanker having cargo pump room? Answer C, use the stream-derived reciprocating pump for stripping. Psychogenic burns can result into frostbite. What is the proper immediate treatment? Answer C, warm the area quickly by placing in water at 108 Fahrenheit until it has thawed. In IG system, in the flue gas line should be as far above the economers as possible. Answer A, uptake. What is the required diameter of the crude oil wash lines according to the ship? Answer D, to maintain the required pressure and flow to the individual type of machine in use. Expand the abbreviation ESD system. Answer B, emergency shutdown system. Dirty blast. Answer B, applies to the SW used for blast when it is contaminated with the remains and residue left in cargo tank than previously carried crude present refined oil. While the vessel in the Red Sea port during loading or discharge a hydrocarbon cargo should air suction for the accommodation B. Answer B, require full open fresh air intake closed. Why the carriage and usage of hand gas lighters are prohibited on boards, oil and chemical tankers? What is the alternative means for lighting a fire? Answer B, safety injectors are used for lighting up gas torches before the hot work. The IG blower should be capable of maintaining a positive pressure of -mmWg minimum in the cargo tank regardless of the tank combination for discharging. Answer B, 200 mm. What are the necessary conditions that must take place for an electrical discharge spark to occur? Answer D, all the above. In enclosed space, declared gas-free, further gas may be released. Answer A, after low scale and sludge are disturbed. The prime mover of deep well pump is usually on motor. Answer D, electric or hydraulic. How the seawater supplies to the deck seal? Answer C, through the deck seal pump fitted in the engine room. Operation of educator, what is correct? Answer B, according to the specific educator's performance curve. If you change the set point of relief value, where would you make a record of the change? Answer D. Engine room log. Material for IG blower casing is answer D. Cast iron. Inert gas after leaving the demister with consists the following. Answer D. Both A and B. How much volume of air needed to be changed in pump room? Answer C. 20 volume per hour. Fixed foam monitors having an operating capacity liter per minute. Answer A. 1250. In tankers, the central equipment is available either for installations in location. Answer B. Non-hazardous. Chapter 4 Marpol Annex 6 was adopted on answer D. 15 July 2011. The physical data of a liquid chemical can be found on answer D. All of this A, B and C. Gas testing on board tankers can be carried out with the following equipments on board. Answer C. Gas instrument. What percent of air is made up by oxygen? Answer B. 21%. Does the muster list and the emergency instructor contain information relevant only to deck officers? Answer C. No. All crew members and other personnel on board. If at the sea inert gas low pressure alarm is activated, it may be necessary to conduct answer C. Inert gas topping up operations. Oil temperature rises, the volume answer C increases. An important publication required to be approval by the flag state and carried on board chemical tankers. Answer A. The procedure and arrangement manual. Low velocity fog applicator used in conjunction with all-purpose firefighting nose should always be answer A. Stored in the rack when not in actual use. Which safety device is fitted on the inert gas cupboard tower to monitor the effective operation of the plant? Answer D. Both B and C. When loading by gravity, the last valve to be opened should be answer B. Ship's manifold valve. Cow operation is conducted during answer A. Discharging operation. Thanks for watching. Please check out other parts for more questions.